Hi, is that Philip?
Yeah, speaking.
Philip, there you are. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Philip, you're not on Facebook at the moment on the live, are you?
No.
Okay,
I've got my computer on, but I'm working.
You're working. Oh, well, sorry to interrupt your day. It's Christian here from BOTB.
No, I appreciate an interruption.
From me, I suppose an interruption is probably okay.
It absolutely is.
And Philip, what are you up to this afternoon? What are you doing for work?
Well, I work from home. The office is 350 miles away. I'm down in Devon.
Oh, amazing.
The office is up in Stansted Airport.
Oh, wow.
So I work from home, but I sell amplifiers, sound equipment.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Dave already behind the computer today. He loves music, so I think any amps. He loves it. His neighbours not so much. He's going to be your next best customer. Now, Philip, you entered into our 5K Friday Fun competition.
Oh yeah.
Literally, it was just over the last 24 hours, but I'm glad you remembered.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I enter loads of competitions, and it's, for you to come on, I mean, obviously I recognise you. So yeah, I mean, I assume you're giving me some reasonably good information.
Well, unfortunately not, Philip. No, have a great weekend. No, I'm kidding, Philip. I'm kidding. I couldn't do that.
Yeah,
Philip.
Thanks, then.
Yeah, exactly. Bye. Philip, I have got some very good news for you. Are you ready?
I'm sitting down.
You're good, yeah, you should be. Philip, you've just won yourself £5,000!
Unbelievable. I can't believe that. Absolutely unbelievable.
Congratulations, well done. It's fantastic to have you on the screen on our live as well. So if you were on Facebook this afternoon, Philip, you would have seen your lovely face all over on our live with now lots of people commenting saying massive congratulations. So well done.
Absolutely superb. Thank you so much.
Hey, it's our pleasure. It is our pleasure. What do you think you're going to spend some of the money on?
Well, as it happens, I had a phone call from the garage this afternoon who have got my 1982 Corvette, which has just had a load of work done to it, and I'm waiting for them to post the invoice through to me. So guess what?
Yeah, it might cover that.
Well, it's still staying in the automotive industry.
Fantastic. Well, that's amazing to hear. I'm glad you're a proper kind of petrolhead then.
Oh, you could say, yes.
Great. Well, Philip, enjoy the £5,000. We will get that sent over to you ASAP. Have a fantastic rest of your Friday, and well done again.
Just so much. Thank you very, very much.
Absolutely
Superb.
our pleasure. Absolutely our pleasure.
What a great Friday.
Well, yeah, what a great Friday, hey? I know, yeah, there are lots of people now commenting going, what a lucky guy. Well, next week it might be you. It might be you.
Yeah, why him? Why not me?
Well, you never know. Well, you had luck on your side this week, but you never know. It might be one of you watching this for next week. So massive congrats, Philip. Well done, and we'll speak to you later.
Okay, thank you very much.
No worries.
Appreciate that.
Cheers, Philip. Bye.